Directory listings. The directory listings feature in Stacks allows you to create a custom list of searchable people, places, and/or things. Listings can include images and a variety of information. Your site's visitors will be able to browse, filter, and sort the listing to quickly and easily find the information they are looking for. Preparation for creating directory listings. Before creating directory listings, there are a couple of important pieces of information you should consider. You may want to update the default site labels and add to or update the filter vocabularies associated with these listings. Ensure you are logged in as an administrator. Then navigate to the dashboard. From there, click the directory listing tile. Near the top of the page are quick tabs that will take you to the site labels and filter vocabularies areas. Through the Site Labels tab, you can change any of the default labels associated with directory listings. This includes the fields seen on each listing, such as the name fields, department, and type, as an example. Similarly, clicking the Listing View tab on the left allows you to see and change any labels people will see when viewing the list view of your directory. Clicking the Filter Vocabularies tab allows you to review and add to or update the filter vocabulary fields associated with your listings. Filter vocabularies are lists of values your site's visitors can use to filter and group the directory listings, which can be helpful if they are looking for specific information. If this is the first time you are creating directory listings, these fields will be blank. Click the List Terms link on the right to add new values to the list. It's worthwhile to add these values prior to creating new listings, as it will avoid the need to jump back and forth to update the lists, then the already created listing entry. Creating directory listings. Whether you have just updated the site labels or filter vocabularies, click the List tab to return to the main directory listing page to create new listing entries. Click the Add Directory Listing button, then complete the fields in the window that opens next. While name and last name or secondary name are both required fields, the other fields are optional. You can choose to select or upload an image for the listing, identify a job title, as well as the company name. As we saw a few moments ago, the type and department fields are both filter vocabularies. Select the appropriate value in each field if you are using these. Additionally, you can input your contact information including phone and/or fax number, email, and links to a URL, and social media accounts. While only one social media account field is visible, you can add others by clicking the Add Another Item button to add additional accounts. In the description field, you can enter a short description for the person, place, or item you are listing. If applicable, in the Hours of Operation section, identify the days and hours the person or place typically works or is open. Once finished, click Save at the bottom of the page to complete the creation of the listing. Lastly, by clicking the Settings tab near the top of the screen, you can adjust additional settings associated with the appearance of the directory listings list and detail views. The list view will be the initial view users will see when they navigate to the directory listing page, which displays the full list of entries. Whereas the details view will be the view page users see when they click on any one of the individual entries. On the listing view subtab, you can optionally add a title for the listings page, as well as a brief description to appear on the page. Also here, you can set how the page is initially displayed, including defaults associated with the number of listings visible per page, default grouping, how the list is initially sorted, and the sort order. A little further below, select which fields should be displayed when users are viewing the list view. Once you're finished, click the Save Configuration button at the bottom of the page. Click the Details View sub-tab near the top of the page to review and configure the settings for the directory listing detail view. Here, you again can configure the field visibility for the information that will be displayed regarding the directory entry. Once you've finished, click the Save Configuration button at the bottom of the page. Now that we've created our listings and configured how they will be displayed, we need to choose how to allow our site's visitors can access this information. There are a number of ways this can be done, including adding a link in the main menu, or by adding a link through other Stacks features, such as callouts or sliders as example. To add a link through a callout, slider, or other Stacks features, add the path to the pre-built directory listing page in the appropriate link field. For internal Stacks pages, you only need to add the path and not the full URL. In this case, add /directory-listing to the appropriate link field. In this example, we'll add a link in the main menu. To do this, navigate back to the main dashboard, then click the Menus tile. Click the List Links button to the right of the main menu option, then the Add Link button. In the menu link title, enter the title you wish to appear in the menu. Then enter the path to the directory listing page by typing /directory-listing in the link field. If you wish, add a description that would appear when a user hovers over the link. Choose the parent link from the dropdown. Click Save when finished. From the list of menu links, click and drag the four-way arrow to adjust the order of appearance for the links. If you wish to nest a link under another option in the main menu, drag the link below the main parent link, then slightly to the right. Once finished, click Save. Navigating back to the home page by clicking Back to Site at the top of the screen, users can now click the menu link to navigate to the directory listing page. From here, clicking on any listing will take the user to the detail view for that listing.